See Double, welcome to the first scientific and educational festival of twins at Tomsk State University. The festival was also attended by international experts in the field of behavioral genetics from Russia, the UK, the USA. At the opening ceremony, even Tomsk State University rector had to admit that he started to see it somewhat double. This year, Tomsk State University celebrated its 135th anniversary. During the course of Tomsk State University history, its walls, and this room in particular, witnessed many Nobel Prize laureates, ministers of education, presidents, but these walls have never welcomed so many lovely school boys and girls before. Many people, when watching TV reports from this festival, may also want to have twins, Georgy Meyer jokes. But despite the big number of little kids present here today, Tomsk State University is a serious scientific institution, and cognitive investigations are an important direction in natural sciences today. Twin registers already exist in all developed countries of the world. These are databases used for research in different fields of human development, from medical conditions to school education. 2 years ago, Tomsk State University won a grant under Government Decree number 220, known as the Mega Grant, for the creation of the Laboratory for Cognitive Investigations and Behavioral Genetics. One of the major objectives of the laboratory is the establishment of the Russian School Twins Registry. I believe it will be very interesting to become part of the registry, 14-year-old Diana Chernova thinks. She and her brother Kirill are fraternal twins. At the festival they had luck on their side, as it was them who were awarded a certificate of participation in the registry number 1 according to the lottery results. We have already done some computer tests at school. I really enjoyed it, so I look forward to doing them again. Despite of high genetic similarity, Kirill and Diana are completely different. Kirill is older and quieter. Diana is outgoing and open. Their interests also differ a lot. Kirill is fond of computers and the English language. Diana studies chemistry and physics and wants to become a ballet dancer. Studies at the Tomsk Laboratory for Cognitive Investigations and Behavioral Genetics use information about genetic and behavioral similarity between genetically identical and genetically non-identical twins to better understand how children develop. Twin registries are not created for the purposes of studying the uniqueness of twin pairs. Instead, such databases' objective is to understand how genetic and environmental factors work together to influence individual difference in cognition, motivation, and achievement. Currently, there are already 3,000 twin pairs in the registry, says Yulia Kovas, director of the Tomsk Laboratory and director of the International Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Investigations into Individual Differences in Learning at Goldsmiths, University of London. There are over 40,000 schools in Russia, with twins attending all of them. We plan to invite all schools to participate in our project. This registry's objective is to study children's development and all learning-related processes. These twins will be involved in various scientific projects. Such investigations have already started. We invited high school twins to participate in a study looking at mathematical cognition and motivation. At the festival, 2 programs took place in parallel: science and creative activities for twins, and scientific and educational for their parents. The former took part in a round-the-world game, including creative quizzes, masterclasses on extraction of DNA from fruits and vegetables using actual lab equipment, a contest of auto pottery creation. Adult participants of the festival took part in a seminar with the laboratory staff, where they received information about identical and fraternal twins and twin research in different countries. They discussed the importance of their children's involvement in the registry and had a chance to share their experiences as parents of twins and to ask questions. In addition, many of the festival participants took part in a film shot by TV channel Russia dedicated to the phenomenon of twins. Thus, the Tomsk Festival has become the first set for the upcoming film.